Welcome to Ja Eddie's Math. My name is Edward Hector. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Yeah, welcome. We are going to look at a few multiple choice algebra questions. Alright, number one. We have a quadratic expression and we are asked to determine the factors of that expression. We are given four possibilities. Now, we can quickly look at the first terms, this, so the product of the two first terms, that will give us the first one determine 8x squared. Now, if you look at all the possible answers, all the products will give us 8x squared. All of them. So therefore, all of them are possibilities. Now let us look for the last term, which is the product of the two last terms. This will give us negative 15y squared, likewise this, likewise this, likewise this. So therefore, all of them are possibilities. Now the thing to determine which one of them is the correct one is the middle term. Determine xy, which is determined by the product of the sum of these products. So we are going to examine those quickly. 8x times that will give us 8xy, and negative 15y and x give us negative 15y. Negative 15xy. And this cannot give us a sum of negative 2xy. That is out. So we look at the others. 2x times negative 5y give us negative 10xy. And 3y and 4x give us 12xy, which cannot give us a negative 2xy. The third one, C, we will get 2x times 3y give us 6xy, and negative 5y times 4x give us negative 20xy. That cannot give us the product. So logically it should be D, but let us check it. 2x times 5y give us 10xy, and negative 3y times 4x give us negative 12xy, which gives us negative 2xy. So the correct answer is D.